Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the WaveTune Max Antenna to see if it actually lives up to the hype or if it's just another overhyped product. This antenna claims to give you thousands of HD channels in 1080p quality, all for free with no subscriptions or extra costs. It also boasts a sleek 4K ready design, long-range signal reception, and an easy plug-and-play setup. Sounds amazing, right? But does it actually work? Let's find out. A lot of people who bought this antenna were left disappointed. Many expected to receive over 100 channels, but most barely got 60, and some only managed to pick up 5 or none at all. That's a huge letdown, especially when the product description makes such big promises. The so-called long-range reception wasn't as strong as advertised either. While the marketing claims an extended range, real-world testing showed it barely reached 30 to 40 miles under ideal conditions. That's a big difference from what they claim. Another major issue is placement. Many users found that the antenna had to be near a window to get any decent reception. That's a problem if your TV isn't positioned close to one, making the setup frustrating and impractical. A few buyers even mentioned that a simple DIY antenna made from copper wire worked better than this so-called high-tech device, which is definitely not a good sign. With so many negative reviews and complaints about misleading claims, the WaveTune Max Antenna seems more disappointing than a reliable solution for free TV channels. Many users feel scammed, saying it doesn't deliver on its promises.